Today, on behalf of Borok Paramedical Institute and Technology, Khumulu, which is run by Borok Hamkrai Welfare Society. The founder, chairman of the society and college is Shri Jitendra Burma, sitting next to me. And myself, I am Ashfaq Patel. I am the advisor of Borok Hamkrai Welfare Society. Today, we are happy to announce that the first batch that enrolled for the degree course, Bachelor of Medical Lab Technology, affiliated to Tripura University, I have successfully passed the 3-year degree course from the university exams, which has been declared now. 5 students who have enrolled have passed out today. We are happy, and the institute is feeling very glad that it has successfully completed a 1 degree cycle. And we have first year, second year still going on. The concerned students who are qualified, who have passed the degree, now have enrolled themselves with the Directorate of Medical Education for internship program, and the necessary internship program will be allocated by the advice and collaboration of concerned Directorate of Medical Education, Government of Tripura. And we are happy, and we wish all our students for a professional journey, a vocational journey from here onwards, and we wish them all the best for giving the valuable service in the health sector, which is very precious, and it is gradually increasing day by day, considering and attending the human requirements and human needs. So on behalf of Borok Hamkrai Welfare Society, we are happy that this journey will continue in the indigenous area, where the founder has started this college in 2020-21 academic year, with the vision to uplift especially the downtrodden section of society. Also, it is for also the non-tribal students also. So we also announce that those students who wish to take admission in medical lab technician will be able to take the admission, which is going on right now for this current academic session for first year degree college. And that's how they can contact our website also, and physically also they can contact the office. I would now request the chairman, Shri Jitendra Burma, to brief further.
I manja khanai press rokno belai hambai जों belai khusi kai saklai man kalayo taglai sini 2021-22 ni simi college sengmani khumlungo Borok Paramedical Institution and Technology Borok Hamkrai Welfare Society ni under ogongko college solitongo engka o college ti puila base ni jara 5 jon admission ngai bok tak Tripura University ni final year taklai miawa result limani o joton pass kha an bagai seng jara student tongnai tei ketal phainai rokno bo hamjang mate welcome yaparo je chinoro pori chakri mannan bagai hai manja khainan bagai sini Tripura saro Tripura sa area o college man bagai Tripura saro ni sujung mannai tei gana guni je hasal thangmaya porimaya borokbo o college hayakai porinan bagai sujog manno gabon bagai sung jotonon koboknai je Tripura sa ungthung wansang thung sideo Tripura je college khulungmani bisingo sinmo ekmatro private college under Tripura University recognized by DME engkai tip sahaino ungo Borok Paramedical ba simno o Borok Paramedical duita course chalung tongo among kai BMLT by biooptometry ngai sung sino college ni hoite internship rokbo sung government by tie up no government ni jara je ungo hospital tongo arono sung internship bo khaiman nai kai amon bagai sung jotonon hambai teisa sinoro jara ungo hainera khumulungo direct college haibo malai mano kai website dobo jogajog khaibano
আর স্টাইপেন্ড রকলো বং হাইনো
stipend no direct mannai mane normally no recognize no am lagi kunwana na kare
আর বেশি বরং 10 টাকা
bisi burung burung stipend mannai fee ni je onusare no stipend mannai fee jemon sinaro boshoro 60000 yearly semester kai to 30000 amo purano unko to stipend no cover khaine
hostel tomorrow ke
hostel nile hostel ke nijini khorcha bai ma tongnai karon hostel college ni bagi alada hostel facility kore hambai
Abahran sigo admission ay tong ko buskan
admission tabu usali tongo kai omas Tirta University rok jesuk jora off khaya sak choli nai karon Tirta University ni under choli tongo bai jeng Tirta University ni guideline anusare non ma choliu amte